At HongLin, we take pride in delivering high-quality YJV22 power cables engineered for strength, safety, and long-term performance. The YJV22 cable features a copper conductor, zip insulation steel tape armor, and a durable PVC outer sheath. From precision conductor stranding to cross-linked polyethylene insulation, every step is controlled by advanced automation to ensure excellent electrical and thermal performance. The steel tape armor layer provides enhanced mechanical protection, making the cable ideal for direct burial and harsh environments. Our production line includes rigorous spark testing, insulation thickness checks, and high-voltage resistance testing to meet and exceed GB and IEC standards. Municipal projects and energy infrastructure with excellent resistance to heat, pressure, and corrosion. HongLin's YJV22 cables are widely used in industrial power distribution, built with precision, tested for reliability, powered by HongLin.